Today's signing between Fiji Water and Neptune Pacific and the Fiji National University marks a commitment to the future of our people, a commitment to the prosperity of our blue economy, and the promise of peace through shared development and progress. The establishment of Fiji Water and Neptune Pacific Career Training Center aligns directly and is a key step towards achieving our National Development Plan, which envisions a modern, resilient, inclusive, and knowledge-based society. It focuses on enhancing technical and vocational education and training, TVET, excellence, expanding employment opportunities, and promoting sustainable industry growth, all the while nurturing the next generation of Fijian innovators and leaders. As we chart Fiji's future, we do so guided by our Ocean of Peace philosophy, a vision of harmony, cooperation, and balance between people, planet, and prosperity. I'm a proud Pacific leader, part of the signing of the Ocean of Peace Declaration in Honiara a few weeks ago. And I used that as the base for my address to the UN General Assembly in its 80th anniversary session this year. And much to our delight, a few hours later, President Trump declared his peace plan for Gaza and Israel. And yesterday we saw him in China on signing an accord with President Xi Jinping. In fact, I had asked if they could come and sign whatever agreement in Fiji, the middle of the Pacific Ocean. I think Xi Jinping hijacked my plan and drew him to Beijing instead. Still part of the Pacific. This initiative exemplifies the vision: peace through partnership, uniting private sector, academia, and government for shared purpose. Peace through progress, empowering youth and communities through education, innovation, and opportunity. Peace through protection, ensuring that economic development and growth respect and sustain our ocean and environment. This center reflects our belief that prosperity and peace must flow together, just as the Pacific Ocean connects and sustains our islands and their communities. This 14 million investment by the wonderful company Fiji Water and Neptune Pacific is more than just an economic contribution. It is an investment in human potential and sustainable industry. Through their partnership, we will revitalize the shipbuilding and marine engineering sectors, enhance manufacturing capabilities, and drive innovation in the blue economy. These outcomes directly support Fiji's goal of a net zero ocean smart economy and strengthen our resilience against the global challenges of climate change and economic uncertainty. At the heart of the initiative are our young people. We are creating a space where young Fijians can learn the skills to build ships, maintain fleets, manufacture sustainable products, and lead industries with creativity, agility, and resilience. The center will provide them with world-class technical training and real-world industry experiences, global best practices from California to Cuba, preparing them not only for employment, but for leadership. It will cultivate problem solvers, innovators, and entrepreneurs who will shape Fiji's industries with courage and creativity. For those already in the workforce, the center offers opportunities upskill and reskill, ensuring that every Fijian can adapt and thrive in an ever-evolving global economy. In so doing, we strengthen one of our greatest assets, our people, and empower them to drive growth for generations to come. This directly advances the NDP goal to modernize TVET, strengthen the manufacturing base, and expand decent work and lifelong learning opportunities. This new center also reinforces Fiji's strategic role as a regional hub for education, innovation, and development. Just as the Pacific Ocean connects our islands, this center can connect our people, offering pathways for collaboration, shared learning, and regional workforce development. In partnership with our Pacific neighbors, Fiji can host regional training programs, share best practices, and build a Pacific talent network. Skilled professionals who advance both national and regional priorities in shipping, marine logistics, manufacturing, and trade. Through such regionalism, we strengthen the Pacific identity, a community of nations united by our ocean of peace and by our shared vision for a stable, skilled, and prosperous blue Pacific continent. To the wonderful company, Fiji Water and Neptune Pacific, we now level for your foresight and faith in Fiji. Your continued investment in our people supports our belief that our greatest capital lies not only in our resources, but in our talent and determination for excellence. To the Fiji National University, you are dedicated to excellence in TVET and industry collaboration is transforming the knowledge industry in Fiji and across the region. We now live. And to our ministries, development partners, and stakeholders, I encourage continued collaboration to replicate such models of innovation-driven partnership that deliver measurable outcomes. To our students, this center was built for you. It is a space where dreams take shape, where ambition meets opportunity, and where learning nurtures leadership. You are the generation that will define our future, a future built on peace, innovation, and shared prosperity. Your success is the building block of growth for our nation and stability of our region. To our community, this is your space too, a center that connects education with enterprise and learning with livelihood, and use it to grow and shape the Fiji and the Pacific you wish to see. Today's signing goes beyond agreement. It is a commitment to progress, certainty, and shared futures. It symbolizes our nation's confidence in the power of learning and collaboration to create lasting change. To the partners in this agreement, I wish you good days ahead. Together we are building a Fiji that is strong in skills, rich in innovation, and steadfast in peace. A Fiji that stands as a beacon of regional cooperation and a hub of learning. God bless Fiji, God bless the Blue Pacific. God bless you all.